there are multiple challenges which are there in the insurance as a industry, as a company, and in individual workplaces. On a distribution side, when you really look into it, the way the distributions are getting evolved, regulator demands that there has to be a multi-tie. Now this was a great challenge, as well as it provided a new opportunity for an insurer to really look alternative and try to really mitigate this risk and create a broad basing of your distribution base. Traditionally, an insurance was looked upon only as a agent-led kind of a model. With a bank-up model coming in and a multi-tie now, which is a reality, organizations are really looking into what next, which are those other channels and which are those other ways by which we can really penetrate and reach out to those customers. And it has made an organization to really look into beyond banca, to look into some of those new ecosystems, new emerging partners as a part of point of sale. The new regulation also demand or facilitate point of sale person, POSP, which is another new opportunities of distribution, where each and every kirana shop so called can be a point of sale for an insurance, which was earlier never as a possibility. Now only through a digitization solution, because of some of those imposition and challenges, these kind of avenues are getting open, and products are getting close, getting very close to the customers. There are multiple touch points through which customers can buy as well as get a servicing for the products. So this entire technology has been done not for something else, but for the customers. Customers are the central strategic arm or the element in bringing all these technological innovations, technological enablement for us, be it on the onboarding stage, be it on the policy servicing stage, be it on the claim settlement stages. Just to give you certain perspective, when you buy a insurance in the past, if that was taking a few days, now it is taking a few minutes or a few seconds. Now this is only possible because there is a larger high tech which was created. The high touch is something which is also very important for the customers, and that is enabled by the person who is behind it, or the cognitive dimension which an organization has anticipated as a need of the customers. So the cognitive dimension in terms of an anticipation is what kind of forms and formats, what kind of a fields which a customer need to be really filling. Can I really simplify it? And if that is intuitively made easy with few questions and few clicks around it, then that with that better UI UX kind of an experience. So it's the same technology, but it is creating a better touch and experience to the customer. So it's a combination of high tech and a high touch is actually making a change in what customers are really experiencing these days. So insurance, as we all know, is a long-term business. Products are designed for long-term. Customers are there and putting their commitment with a larger need, which could be of various stages of life. As we all see that there was a time when insurance was looked upon as a product which is from the perspective of mitigating the risk of dying. Now insurance is looked upon in addition to that as a risk of living longer, given the fact that the average age of a human being is increasing, and the products which are really required for addressing that need of living longer would be in the dimensions of retirement, pensions, annuity, and some of those wealth which need to be made available to them. So as a result of which you are seeing that this industry is really looking into its contribution to the larger need of the economy of the human being in terms of both from the risk associated with the risk death as well as the risk associated with living longer. So this is built to last. It is there, and more and more technological advancements which will take place, which will simplify the processes, which will ease the thing for the customers, and it will be available to the customer at its own convenience. So as we really go along, we will find that customer would be actually getting into a comfort of, or a pull, would be getting into a situation where they will be creating a pull for insurance product rather than insurance being pushed, which is traditionally being understood.